Every day, large numbers of carefully selected cattle arrive at this massive leather processing complex.
We need to divert the next 3 to the south lot.
Confirmed. Updating the manifest now.
Control, this is Gate 1. Convoy 7 approaching scan point.
Scan complete. All clear. Send them through.
Before entering production areas, every shipment passes through multiple inspection and verification procedures.
Keep coming straight back. Watch your left side. Move up now. Get them moving.
Keep them moving. Watch the gate. Clear on this side.
Ándale, ándale. Por aquí, rápido.
Before inspection begins, the animals spend time in carefully managed holding areas where feeding and monitoring systems support large-scale operations.
These massive stainless steel water stations provide the Holstein herd with continuous fresh water, showcasing advanced water management.
After arrival and monitoring, the next stage focuses on health inspections and quality evaluation procedures.
Vitals are stable. Log the hoof measurement under panel B. Copy that. Records updated in real time.
Modern livestock facilities rely on detailed identification and monitoring systems to manage large-scale operations efficiently.
Did you get a clear scan on tag 34B?
Yes, reading confirmed. Move them to lane 4. The readout is clear. Cross-reference with the historical data on the tablet. Done.
Growth trajectory remains optimal.
Keep the herd moving smoothly into the cleaning bay. All systems are go for the sterilization sequence.
Automated cleaning systems help prepare incoming livestock before they proceed through additional industrial processing stages.
Status confirmed green on all parameters here, Supervisor.
Excellent. The automated systems are performing as expected. Let's move to the next section.
After preparation and cleaning, the process moves into specialized departments where hides and horns begin their transformation into industrial materials.
All clear on Sector 4. The last group is moving into the chute.
Confirmed. Starting the sortation sequence now.
All hides shown throughout the documentary originate from the same black and white Holstein bulls introduced earlier. Each hide is carefully inspected before entering the next series of industrial preparation stages.
Once preparation is complete, the hides move into large industrial washing systems designed to clean and condition the material before further processing.
Automated systems fill the tanks with conditioned water, beginning the crucial soaking phase of the hides.
The levels are stable now.
Okay, monitor the hide saturation closely.
Large industrial washing systems help remove impurities while preparing the hides for later stages of leather production.
Check the edges on this one right here. Got it, looks good.
After cleaning and conditioning, the hides move forward to specialized systems where hair removal and surface preparation begin. Surface preparation helps create a cleaner and more consistent material for the leather-making process that follows. With surface preparation complete, the hides are now ready to enter the tanning department, where they begin their transformation into durable leather. Tanning is one of the most important stages of leather production, helping transform raw hide into a durable and long-lasting material.
We have an issue with the pH levels in this batch. Adjust the chemical feed.
Reading at 2.2 millimeters right here. Got it. Got it, logging that now.
Following tanning, the material moves forward to drying and conditioning systems, where its structure and performance are further refined. Controlled drying helps prepare the material for the finishing processes that follow later in production. After drying and conditioning, the material enters advanced finishing departments, where it begins to take on the characteristics of premium leather.
The grain structure here is excellent, well within tolerance.
Data confirms the tensile strength. This batch is approved for cutting.
Finishing operations help create the smooth appearance, durability, and texture expected from premium leather products. With finishing complete, the premium leather is now ready to enter manufacturing departments, where luxury products begin to take shape.
Precision cutting ensures that every component meets the exact specifications required for luxury manufacturing.
Make sure these are all Holstein.
Yes, they are. Send the smaller pieces to Station 3 for the wallets.
The stitching quality and construction accuracy are excellent. This one is verified and approved. With the primary components assembled, the products move forward to finishing and detailing departments, where their final appearance begins to emerge. Fine detailing and finishing operations help create the appearance and durability expected from luxury leather goods. While leather goods move toward packaging, the horns continue through specialized departments where they are transformed into premium decorative materials and accessories.
Check the alignment on Sector 4. Looks good, within tolerance.
With both leather and horn materials fully processed, the final stage focuses on transforming them into luxury consumer products.
Look at the grain on this piece. It matches the Holstein pattern perfectly.
Yes, the digital standard confirms the texture is flawless. Approved.
After manufacturing and inspection are complete, the finished products move forward to packaging and global distribution systems.
Packaging helps protect finished products while preparing them for storage, transportation, and retail presentation.
After packaging and storage, the finished products begin their journey through international distribution networks. Connection begins global distribution. From arrival to final shipment, every stage of production contributes to transforming raw materials into premium luxury products.
We need these Holstein hides moved to aisle 4 immediately. Priority shipment.
Distribution centers help organize inventory and direct finished products toward retail locations around the world.
Ready on 3. 1, 2, 3, lift. Got it, watch your side. Clearance is good back here, bring it in.
What began with carefully selected cattle has now been transformed into a collection of premium luxury products through a complex industrial process. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the complete process of transforming hides and horns into premium luxury products.